Okay, so we have the bracket down and the cover off of the motherboard box, so we have the motherboard exposed, and so we always recommend to take a picture of the motherboard so that you can record the connections, locations on it. We have the little motor clip connections for the two motors, and then we have the power white and black over here, and then we have the light, the red over here, and then the black on this side, and then the ribbon connector for the control panel. And then it's held on with the screws in the corners, so we'll take off the connections from it and then unscrew the screws holding it on, and then we can take the board out, put the new one on, attach the screws in the corners, and then we'll put all the connections back on, referring to the picture that you took, and then we can put the cover back onto it and then flip the bracket back up, put it into place, screw in the bracket, and you can plug the unit in and then make sure it is all working properly. So let us know if you have any other questions, and have a great day.